Nanoparticles, lasers, and liquids. How do these all go together? Well, like you, I'm full of questions. My name is Keith, and together with you, we'll have a closer look into what makes Brave Analytics the partner of choice for characterizing nanoparticles in liquids. Nanoparticles and how we measure and manipulate them for the good is drastically gaining relevance in pharmaceutical and medical products. For example, the efficacy of pharmaceuticals can be fundamentally improved through precisely tuned nanoparticles, reducing side effects, improving uptake, and bioavailability, just to name a few. Additionally, cosmetics, paper, paints, surface coatings, lubricants, and many more can also be optimized radically by applying nano principles. But wait, let's ask someone who's already partnered up with Brave Analytics. Martin Miltner, thanks for checking in with us today. You are the co-founder of Lignovations, a spin-off of the Technical University in Vienna, working on, amongst other things, a sunscreen which is actually good for the environment. How did you come up with this idea, and what is the solution you're working on?
We love to work with lignin. It's a really great material. By the way, it's the second most abundant biopolymer on Earth. It is the main constituent of lignocellulosic biomass, which is basically the material that all terrestrial plants are made of, and it's a really great molecule from the chemical point of view because it takes a lot of functions in the plant. It protects the cellulosic fiber from water degradation by hydrolysis, from degradation by UV radiation or oxidative attacks or attacks by microbes. But on the other hand, lignin is maybe the most underutilized bioresource on Earth. And why? Because it's used or produced as a waste or a byproduct during pulp and paper production, and here it is mainly burned to 99% for energy recovery purposes. And if we really want to make the next 2 or 3 steps towards a bioeconomy, then lignin will be the key material. And the usage of lignin in high-value application will be the key to a powerful bioeconomy. And we at Lignovations now, we produce a highly powerful ingredient for the cosmetics industry or the chemical industry that can be used to produce sustainable, non-toxic, non-hazardous end consumer products. For example, a sunscreen that is really sustainable, not toxic to the human body, and economically friendly.
Why is particle characterization important for your product?
Our USP is the production of solid colloidal particles out of the lignin at a very specific particle size. The thing is that the smaller the particle is, the higher the specific surface area, the higher the performance to be used as a UV protecting agent, example. On the other hand, if we go for sustainable markets, biocosmetics, sustainable coatings, there is one problem, and guys, I hate to say this to you, if you have to write on the packaging contains nanomaterial, it's an absolutely no-go. So we have to stay safely above the boundaries given by regulation, that is 100 nanometers. So we produce the highest powerful product if we go for a very small particle, but safely above the boundaries given here. So if you can produce a nanoparticle with 105 nanometers, 110, we're really on the safe side and have a great product. And that is why we really need a reliable online measurement systems for our particle size.
And why did you choose to work with Brave Analytics?
Brave Analytics and Lignovations share, in some points, a similar history. We met each other during the great FFG Spin-off Fellowship National Grant. We get to know each other. We got to know the technology, and tech people at Lignovations said this can really make a difference for us, and that's why we go for it.
So in your opinion, why was this new technology your first choice for analyzing the particles for your products?
As I mentioned before, it is very important to precisely know our current particle size during production. And in our process, we have the possibility to control the particle size. So we can steer the process to produce like 60 nanometers, 100, 105, or 140. And to close this control loop, We need a reliable particle size online during the production, and I'm pretty sure that Brave Analytics has the concept here for us.
Excellent, and thanks so much for your insights, and I really hope I can get one of those sunscreens that you're delivering. I burn like a lobster after an hour in the sun, so I'm looking forward to that.
You will receive it, Keith.
I appreciate it, thanks.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's summarize some key points. Here's what the industry wants: a smoothly running factory producing goods that can be delivered to defined and consistent quality standards. This can be achieved by cutting-edge technology for in-process quality control. Monitoring critical quality attributes and determining critical process parameters are crucial. This is where Brave Analytics and their Brave B1 sensor platform come in and deliver the required, accurate, representative, and rapid insights which are so direly needed. So let's boil everything down. The Brave B1 assures your set quality standards, helping you to reduce waste and production costs as a whole. After knowing more about the advantages and general functionalities, I'm really keen to see how the Brave B1 works and figure out if there are any preconditions or any special features that come with the device. See you next time.